Are you looking for the best tape gun? Check out our list of the top handheld tape dispensers for moving, shipping, e-commerce, and more. To help, I've rounded up the best tape guns for small business owners who pack and ship in-house, so you can get the job done right. Number 1, Mr. Pen Packing Tape Dispenser. This is one of those products which ensures value for money for its customers, at a cost even lower than $9. This product is recommendable. It comes with a 2 inches thick, free tape too as a bonus for the users. Earlier, the price of this tape dispenser was nearly a few dollars higher, but they have cut it down a bit with their newest design. Firstly, let us talk about the blades, the most important part of a tape dispenser. It is of really excellent quality and provides ultimate satisfaction on using. It is made of non-corrosion, rust-resistant stainless steel material which is durable and for long-time usages. It is pretty sharp, so there will be no problems regarding cutting and smooth rolling of the tapes. The product is very light in weight, just 12 ounces. This is certainly a very significant advantage for long-time packaging and shipping in a commercial setting, where we have to keep our hands swift all the time. A lightweight tape dispenser comes in handy. It does not allow any hand fatigue. If a load of packaging is not that high, then there is no trouble with the handles at all. Number 2, Tape King TX100 Packing Tape Dispenser. This product is another ace in the world of tape dispensers. This will make packaging your boxes and cartons an effortless job. A tape roller comes free with this tape dispenser too. You can say that this product is of professional quality judging by the performance of this product. It is simply perfect for easy and quick sealing and packing of a huge number of packages, cartons, boxes within a matter of a few minutes. It is also pretty good for wall taping before applying paint. The metal housing is specially designed for heavy-duty machines, which makes the product last for a very long time. The grip is fantastic and ergonomic. Your fingers are in perfect control while using this tape dispenser, and the grip is specially designed ergonomically for this. The large-sized, smooth pistol handle grip provides you with utmost comfort. This is a very important criterion of a tape dispenser which makes it perfect for heavy-duty packaging and shipping. The blades are resistant to every type of corrosion and rust and probably the sharpest ever. Sharp blades ensure faster packaging. Number 3, Duck Brand Standard Tape Gun with Foam Handle. Another amazing product that makes our list is the Duck Standard Tape Gun. This is a tape gun that can be the greatest asset in a commercial setup where loads of packaging and shipping are generally very high. This is not one of those dollar store trash that you find and works only for a week, and then you need to throw it away. The quality ensures a long-lasting and smooth experience. The construction is pretty sturdy, made with a high-quality metal alloy. The steel chassis is painted to ensure resistance to any corrosion or rust. The blade is very sharp. It cuts a 2 cm tape with ease. The red tension control knob is highly adjustable, and hence you can maintain the tension you require. It can be used for tapes as long as 110 yards. This is unbelievable but true. For this, fit a long tape and forget the hassle of changing the tapes now and then. However, the standard 1/6mm packing tape is way too thin. The dimensions of this product are 244x6, 25x9, 25 inches and weigh as low as 103 pounds only. Number 4, Scotch H180 Industrial Packing Tape Dispenser. The Scotch 21200190087 H180 is one of the finest models of tape dispensers available in the market. It is portable, convenient to use, and very easy to operate. You can hold it in hand and pack several shipping boxes within a matter of a few minutes. It is pretty handy for all kinds of industrial, commercial, and office setups, where many packaging takes place. However, it comes with and supports a single rolling tape only, but it generates firm tapping with neat cuts efficiently. The materials used for the manufacture of this product deserve praise. The body is made with fine quality fiber, which is sturdy, durable, and long-lasting at the same time. The blades are made of rust-resistant, corrosion-free stainless steel. The blades are pretty sharp, which provides clear-cut and neat packaging. Another important aspect is this material is light in weight too and weighs 0.95 pounds. The brakes are hub-mounted and are adjustable. This provides you with extra control while using this product. You can set the brakes wherever you want. This ensures optimal and efficient sealing with no unwanted waste of tapes. Number 5, Manolum's Desktop Tape Dispenser. This option is another compact and good-looking black tape dispenser on our list. This tape dispenser does not only look good, but it also works really well. The compact yet weighted dispenser body allows it to remain stable and grounded while you use it. A skid-free base eliminates all possibilities of disruption during use. so you can single-handedly use the tool while you work. The high-quality razor blades last for years, making the tape dispenser long-lasting and effective. It can easily support tapes that are half an inch or 3/4 inches wide, with a length up to 1,500 inches. The heavy body of the tape dispenser helps support single-handed use so that you can use it without hassle or extra support. It also has an attached core, so you won't have to look for lost ends of the tape constantly. Key features: sharp blade for quick use, weighted, skid-free base, supports 1,500 inches long tape. The high-quality blade can last for years.